Hi, my name is Ed Wolff and I'm the Vice President of Professional Services here at NISC.
And I'm Doug Remboldt. I'm the Vice President for our Support Division. Welcome to the NISC Minute.
Today we're going to talk about the regional workshops. We're planning 36 of them for this year. They range from coast to coast. We're at Consumers Power in Oregon all the way to West Carolina Tel on the East Coast. We also have workshops here in the Mandan location in Lake St. Louis, and this year we're even expanding to Canada.
In addition to our expansion for the number of workshops and the geographic area that we're covering, we've been expanding the topics that we cover in these as well. And traditionally they've been accounting and billing focused, but we now have workshops on our operations solution on E&O. We have workshops on Vault and system administration. And we continue to expand our coverage and bring additional content to you, our members.
It's been interesting for me to watch and listen to the people that attend these workshops. I've never heard a person say it wasn't worth their time. When we do a new implementation, we give you a lot of information up front and you grab the pieces you need to get through the day. What you can learn in a workshop is how to really leverage the power of iView.
In addition, there's great value for our members that have been using our software for a long time. One of the things that we've learned as we talk to our members is that it can be a struggle to keep up with all the changes that we incorporate into the software. Often from release to release, there's hundreds of additional changes, and these workshops are really geared around not being so much of a training class, but being a collaboration between NISC staff and our members, and helping each other understand what new functionality might be available, what value it might bring your organization, or if you've deployed some of those features already, helping other members understand what value you've gotten from deploying those features or that functionality.
To your point, Doug, I often hear members say there's so much value to learning how other members are using it versus NISC employees just saying how to use it. So with that, we really hope that you take a good look at that schedule, find out what makes sense for you on your schedule and in your location, and we think you'll find great value in really helping you leverage the software that you already have.
We look forward to seeing you at one of our workshops. If you need additional information as to the locations or the dates, please visit the NISC community. And when you join us for one of the workshops, please be prepared to come and have a great collaborative couple of days with the NISC staff as well as NISC members. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.